Today, I will explain to you how you can make an alfajor in your kitchen with easy ingredients. It's the perfect video for those of you that want to do something sweet and easy in your own kitchen. You enter on that video because you want this, right? So, come with me and let's see. To start this recipe, you will need a bar of chocolate of your preference. I will use a milk chocolate, dulce de leche, some milk biscuits like 2 or 3, butter, vanilla extract if you want something really sweet, and other things that I will say belong the video. Some equipment will be important to do it, so come with me. Okay, so to do this recipe, you'll need a bowl to keep the chocolate when it's on bain-marie until it reaches a consistency that you can pass over the milk biscuits. Then, if you want, you can put dulce de leche in a pan to warm up, or if you don't like it, you can put it directly from the pot. Now to do the chocolate, you stay mixing until it looks like this. Now if you want, you can put here at the chocolate the vanilla extract, but only if you want something really sweet. I will not put, but you can. To transform the ingredients pre-portioned on the structure of it, you have to put in layers: milk biscuits, dulce de leche, milk biscuits, dulce de leche, milk biscuits, and then we dunk the structure in the chocolate. After this, we can put it in the fridge and wait like 40 minutes or until the chocolate at the top of the structure stays hard. Now, while we wait, let's talk about alfajor history. This recipe was invented in Spain. With the Spanish colonization here in America, the alfajor don't wait too long to come here to the countries. The origin of the alfajor were Arabic and spread from Europe 8th century. If you like this recipe, please like it and subscribe to our school channel down here. Thank you for your attention. See you.